Sikh are unsafe in India? Oh my God. I do not criticize any political party, nor I belong to any party, nor I have such kind of political motive, etc. But guys, I can only tell our young people must learn from the armed forces. You are talking Sikh are unsafe in India? Trust me, if you ask any Sikh person, he will laugh at it. Ask anyone, unless he has a political motive to say that. My God, why I say that youth should learn from the armed forces. One of the greatest regiment in the Indian Army is the Sikh Regiment or Sikh Light Infantry. The Sikh Regiment is one of the oldest regiment. Look the kind of awards they have won. Armed Forces officers, Jawans hold the Sikh community in the highest esteem. Their contribution, whether it was in the freedom struggle, whether it was in all the 4 wars we fought right from 47, 48, 62, 71 and 99 cannot be compared. And besides that, in counter-insurgency, they have participated, guys. So we salute to this community. And we salute to the Sikh soldiers. And frankly speaking, since you happen to ask only, I will cover the military aspect of it. My greatest 3 role models have been Sikh soldiers, though I am from Dogara regiment. The first one, my CO, oh my God, whom I learnt a lot, Colonel R.J. Singh, Ratanjit Singh. He was CO 18 Dogara when I was serving as a young captain under him. What a role model he was. You know, I used to think the day I become CO, if I become like him, will be the finest thing. The kind of personality he had, the kind of straightforward person he was, there was a great deal to learn from him. My second role model in Sri Lanka, when I was serving in Operation Pawan, I was a GSO 3 intelligence, and my commander was Brigadier Panag. He was a great soldier in Sri Lanka, most courageous guys. Third role model, when I was commanding an RR sector, guys, 9 sector RR, the most dangerous insurgency area, and my GOC that time was Major General Gurmeet Singh. And I had another opportunity when he became a Corps Commander again. In Srinagar, I was his Brigadier General Staff, BGS. Look at this. And he is now, General Gurmeet is now the Governor of Uttarakhand. So 3 role models I had, what a coincidence, all 3 were Sikh. So guys, we don't believe on such kind of political statements. I will advise you to learn this from the army. There are no differences at all. In the armed forces, we hold each other, whether it is Muslim, whether it is Hindu. Muslims has done such great sacrifices. You know about the Veer Abdul Hamid in 1965 war, Parmveer Chakra, posthumously. He was from Grenadiers. There are so many soldiers like him who have really fought so well and contributed a great deal. So, in armed forces, the best part is under one roof, we have all the religions. Mandir, Masjid, Gurdwara, Buddhist or any other community temple. In fact, in Srinagar, I remember after evening walk, I usually used to go to that Mandir, Masjid, Gurdwara. In army, we call it MMG also, not medium machine gun, but MMG, Mandir, Masjid, Gurdwara. I used to go. We had a church also inside. So, everything was under one roof. You can go, you can visit all of them, including there is a Buddhist temple also inside there. This you will find only in the armed forces. But unfortunately, for personal reasons, personal motives, political reasons, a kind of differentiation is being created in the society which will be very, very bad in the long run. Yes, let them have their politics, but not make the communities fight. This is all I can say. And you, the young future leaders of our country, which you will become. Firstly, I will advise you, since you are going to become future armed forces, keep totally out of, okay? You don't belong to such kind of dirty politics. Secondly, guys, always love the other community. Always, because we all are Indians first. And India is our country. We believe in Indian constitution, guys. Okay? Our religion, our community comes later. So that is the kind of spirit you got to develop. So, and this is the message you got to give to the society as SSB aspirants, because you are going to be the future armed forces officers. Since you asked this question, remove this from your mind and don't have this kind of political leanings unnecessarily, which is dividing the country. Think about uniting the country. And let me tell you also, there are a lot of fake news which are going on. Who knows, this fake news may have been generated by Pakistan, maybe by Bangladesh, maybe by US, maybe by so many other countries. And it is happening these days. And by these fake messages, they are trying to create a division in the society, guys. Beware, don't trust such kind of messages at all, and contribute your part, maybe a little bit, towards uniting the nation. We are one India, great India. If you are one, nothing can stop India becoming the greatest country in this earth. See, we are the best economy today. We are becoming the most developing country, and the day is not far, we will be the fourth largest economy in the world. That is the kind of future our country holds. So be proud of an Indian. We can be only great if we are one as a country. Our community, our religion comes second, guys. If you have this feeling, if you can create this feeling around you, you are a real leader, you are a real citizen of this country. We salute all communities, all who contribute towards the nation building, guys. So that is the message you are supposed to give.